not the best businessman. I'm not the best cricket team owner. I'm, there are a lot of things I may not be, and I'm not fooled myself. I'm not the most powerful person in the world, or the 48th or 47th, but I am an Indian, and you can't take that away from me. I mean, that makes me very sad. That makes me cry. So that makes me sad. I don't like that being questioned, and and again, with all humility, I say, I'm not confrontational about this. I would not even try to explain how Indian I am. It just makes me very sad that क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? और मुझे मालूम है ये एजेंडाज हैं, आपका पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा है, आपका बिलीफ है, आपका आइडियल है, आपके आइडियोलॉजीज हैं, बट मैं कहां से उन स्कीम ऑफ थिंग्स में आ गया? मेरा तो इससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. और मुझसे अगर कोई बोलता है, मुझसे परसों किसी ने पूछा आप मिले, मैं तो मिलता हूं, मेरी तो दोस्ती है, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, लेकिन इस मामले पे हमने कभी बात नहीं की है.
पॉलिटिक्स पे?
हाँ, पॉलिटिक्स पे और आइडियोलॉजीज पे बात नहीं की है. और कभी भी मुझसे कभी नहीं पूछा गया कि इंडियन हो, और अगर मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं तो मैं फिर बात नहीं करूंगा, बिकॉज दिस इज सैड. आई मीन आई एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई एम द मोस्ट पेट्रियोटिक, but I believe, I think so, that I'm emotional about being an Indian. Like I said, I'm not great at all these things that I mentioned, but I think I'm great at being an Indian. I'm a good Indian.
I don't think anyone would disagree with that, except a few people that we can probably count on one hand, but...
And I never thought I'll have to say this on a TV channel.
That I'm a good Indian. Yeah.
That makes me sadder.
But there are people who think that because you said, if I'm invited, I'll go and have a drink at the Thackeray house, you were ready to compromise.
No. My ideology is that because, look, what did I say? I said, just because a few people think differently from us, they are terrorists, they're bad guys, and they've hurt us, and we hate them, does not mean that you cannot have a dialogue with the nation or the rest of the people.
But these are people who've questioned your Indianness. Why do you want to meet them? Why do you want to meet them?
No, see, I know it's... Barkha, these are all... let me be honest, I'm smart enough to know these are just taking stands for agendas and ideals. It's not personally, I think... let me say it and let people say what they want, because I'm honest about this. I think Uddhavji is very sweet personally. I've chatted with him, I've talked about his photography. He's been helpful. He's very gracious. Bala Sahab... I mean, somebody said, don't say that again, have a drink with him. I have a cup of coffee with him.
But Bala Sahab enjoys his drink.
No, okay.
You mean you're not supposed to say it for yourself?
Maybe. Okay, so I'll have coffee here.
Where's the coffee?
I have a coffee. I only drink coffee. I'm so scared. This is something. You know, they were asking me about Valentine's Day for my film releasing on that day. So I said, मैं Valentine's Day नहीं बोलूँगा यार, उसका भी problem होता है यार. तो वैसे वो प्यार का दिन बोल दो please. सारा साल प्यार का दिन है. But let me honestly say.
Why do you want to meet Bala Saheb Thackeray, who has questioned your Indianness, who has suggested that your religion has, who's made references to your religion? Why do you want to meet this man?
But that's what my ideology is. It's okay. I don't agree with all this. I don't like all this. I don't have this belief. And you can't question it. I'm strong enough in my belief that whatever you say does not make me an Indian, does not make me a traitor or a terrorist or a bad guy or a not a nice guy. I have full belief in this. But I've had some very good times with them. I will go, and I'm very, very clear that if I go there, whenever I do, and if I do, when I'm called, whenever Bala Sahib's called, I've gone. I've always gone and sat up with him and had a great chat with him. And, you know, he's given me his books, shown me his caricatures, promised to make a caricature of mine one day. So I have to go and take that.
He's caricaturing you right now? In a way. Or himself.
I
don't know which one it is actually. But have any of them tried to call you?
No. And you know, that is what is making me sad. That I have a relationship with them. And if you had a problem, just call me. You know, why did we have to go in such a fussy manner and, you know, scare the crap out of everyone, including me? You know, just give me a call and say, hey, तुम क्यों ऐसा बोले? अरे सर कोई बात नहीं, अभी छोड़ दो, नहीं बोलेंगे. You know, and it's just a talk. Yeah, I mean, if they know me well enough, I think I can say rightfully that, you know, one could have just given me a call and I would have sorted it out. Okay, I won't say it in the next one. It's no big deal. I believe it. I don't have to say it. So, you know.
Have you asked them for time?
No.
There are rumors that Shah Rukh has asked Bala Saheb Thackeray for time. All day today there were rumors that you're going to go to Matushri any moment. Did you hear those rumors as well?
Yes, I was told. But no, I wasn't called. I wasn't. I hadn't asked for time either.
And when you say you'd be happy to meet him to have a conversation, is that something that you're saying rhetorically, or is that something you're going to actively seek? Like, would you like to sit down at a table with...
About this matter?
Yes.
No. I would not like to seek. There is no discussion on this matter. That's what I'm saying. What is the fuss about? And I don't think, from their point of view, because, Barkha, this is what I want to ask you. What would you tell me to retract? What would anyone tell me to retract? When I'm saying they're good thinking people as far as personally we are concerned, ideologies can be separate. But there's no discussion on ideologies we've ever had, and I don't think we can ever have. Because I'm not from the same platform. I was just talking to a few friends who are in politics, and yes, politicians can have this talk about ideology ki हिंदुत्व ठीक है कि नहीं है, सेक्युलरिज्म बेटर है कि नहीं है, यूथ बेटर है कि ओल्ड पुराना है, वोटर बैंक अच्छा है कि एजुकेटेड वोट आना चाहिए, ये सब बातें हैं पॉलिटिशियंस कर सकते हैं. हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है. वी कैन ट्राई टू टॉक अबाउट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड इम्प्रेस अपॉन पॉलिटिशियंस कि लिसन, वी आर विद दिस टुडे. But I don't think I have any right to talk about anybody's ideology. Like I mentioned, I've spent a lot of great moments with Bajpai Sahab. I'm very, very fond of him. Very fond of him. His daughter calls him Babji, so I call him Babji. Advani Sahab, he used to do films. They have different ideologies from mine. Completely different. And I'm not saying my ideology is something else with any other party. But yes, I would like a party which is more secular. So my ideology is different, but we never had ideological discussions with anyone. Now, I've never had it with Mr. Rahul Gandhi. I've never had it with Mr. Advani. I've never had it with Mr. Amar Singh. I've never had it with Bala Sahab. I know all of them. And some other, politicians who don't even behave like they're cooler. And, we just sit down and chat. And I've never talked ideology.
So you're saying that while you're happy to meet the Thackeray's, on this particular issue, the subject is closed?
As far as I'm concerned, it should never have been open. And I'm not being pompous about it. I'm not being, like I keep on saying, I'm not being confrontational about it. I don't know what to retract. When I said I'm not going to apologize, and I've been told that I was never told to apologize. I was just, maybe some press person asked me. And I'm not understanding what to apologize for. And genuinely, I'm not trying to be stupid. I'm not stupid.
Do you feel you've been targeted because you're Muslim? And I know you have said no to this, but I asked Uddhav Thackeray the same question. And my analogy to him was that if you have targeted Shah Rukh because of what he has said about Pakistan, then there is an entire peace movement called Aman Ki Asha being run by a major media group. There are some very well-known celebrity ambassadors for that, including Mr. Bachchan. You've not targeted them, so why only Shah Rukh? He insisted religion has nothing to do with it. But I'm asking you, do you believe that being Muslim has something to do with this?
No, I think, the agenda there is a little smaller. I think it's got to do with the player part. Cricketing players. I want to ask, are we going to have Pakistan playing in the Commonwealth?
Good question.
I have not, have we decided not to? Because I've been told, Mr. Gill is saying that we should not have sporting relationships with Pakistan. So I'm not saying I want to root for Pakistan. I'm not saying I want Pakistan there. I want Indians to win 177 gold medals. I'm all for India. I'll cry when my boxer loses in the Commonwealth game. But is the decision already taken? Because I'm not aware of it. I don't know very many Indians are aware of this or not.
No, I don't think there is any such decision.
So when it is not, then why should it be for one sport and not the other? Are we never going to play hockey at the Olympics with Pakistan and beat them? Or lose to them?
So you think you've been targeted because of your association with cricket and not because of your religion?
I think, one of the agendas of this group has always been that these cricket, but 2 years ago they played in the IPL. Then I was told, post 26/11, there is a more anti-feeling towards it. Because I came and played in Mumbai, and like I told you, lost badly. But Shoaib Akhtar had bowled, I think, from our team. We made only 76, so we didn't get much of a chance to bowl also. But there was no issue that time. So I have to assume that if it wasn't 2 years ago, but then maybe post 26/11 we need to take that stand again.
But when some of the comments, but the comments play on the Khan going to Lahore, there is a religious subtext, or you don't think there is?
I would not like to believe. I made a whole film on this here. I'm totally believing, and I talk about this post 26/11 when we had the interview.
Yeah.
I speak very strongly as a person who's a Muslim, and who's been accepted in this country as the son of this country, in a certain way. Okay, let me be self-centered and say, I think I make some Indians proud all around the world too. And having said all that, nobody's ever asked me, what religion are you from? My wife has never asked me. I have never asked her. My children have never asked me. Nobody's ever questioned it. So why should that matter be? And I think it's so old-fashioned. Let me also not get into this religious debate. I just really want to say, Muslims, Hindus, yes, I know what I'm saying